Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Google Drive in 2025. Whether you are a student, content creator, or just someone trying to stay organized, let's jump in. Google Drive is a cloud storage service by Google. It lets you store files, share them, and access them for anywhere on your computer, phone, or tablet. You get 15 GB of free storage with every Google account, and it works perfectly with tools like Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Gmail. To access Google Drive, just go to drive.google.com or just search for Drive, then choose the link and log into your Google account. You can also download the Google Drive app on Android or iOS. Once you are in, you will see your My Drive recent files, shared files, and folders. To upload something, just drag and drop a file from your computer right into Google's. Open your file, then just drag and drop here. Or click the new button on the left side, then choose file upload or folder upload, then choose the file from here and click open. Then you can upload PDFs, videos, photos, Word docs, almost anything. Uploaded files are private by default, but you can share them easily, which we will cover in a moment. You can also create files directly inside Drive. Just click New and click New Folder. Then pick what you want to create, like docs, sheets, slides, forms, or new folder. Just click on New and select one from here. These are saved automatically in real time, and you can access them anytime, even from your phone. To stay organized, create folders, click on plus icon and click new folder. Give it a name and then drag your files into it. Then refresh the space, then drag into in your file like that. Now open it and it here. You can color code folders or even star important files to find them faster later. Use folder names like work, personal, or 2025 projects to stay 3D. Click the three dot icon, select file information, then click details. Here your details like that. Video file details like type, video type, size, storage used, dimensions, durations, etc. Go back to your home or My Drive section. Click the three dot icon and click organize and select a color. It's look like different. To share a file, right click it or click the three dot icon, then click share, then again share. Now click anyone with the link, then copy the link to share with anyone. Choose permission labels viewer, they can only read. Commenter editor, they can change the file. You can even set expiration dates and turn off downloading or copying if it's sensitive information. Google Now lets you request access from mobile, which used to be desktop only. The Google Drive mobile app is super helpful. You can view and edit documents, upload photos and videos from your phone, scan documents using your camera, share files directly from messaging apps, tap the plus icon to upload or create on the go. To find something first, use the search bar at the top center. Google Drive uses smart filters. You can search by file type, keyword, owner, or date. You can also star files or create shortcuts to files stored in other folders. Every account comes with 15 GB free storage shared across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If you need more, you can upgrade with Google One. Just click Get More Storage from the left side. Choose 100 GB for $1.99 per month, 200 GB and or 2 terabyte, available with family sharing and backup features. Perfect for freelancers, creators, or teams. Google Drive in 2025 is more powerful than ever, great for storing files, collaborating, and working from anywhere. Use Google Docs for notes, slides for presentations, and folders to stay organized. Like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want tutorials on Google Docs, Sheets, or shared drives next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.